Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we are doing a plan with me from March 11th through the 17th. So I'm gonna do a kind of St. Patrick's Day theme. I got out my seasonal stickers and then my essential boxes and borders. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna flip through here to find those seasonal stickers. I may come back to that. We're in Christmas. And here we go. So this brings us to spring. I don't know how it went from Halloween and November things to spring, but it did. So let's go ahead and pull from there. We've got these boxes here. We've got some nice boxes here. And then we've got our spring bucket list, and it looks like I've done already taken one out. So let's go ahead. And I'm going to do some green and pink on this one. So let's go ahead, and we already know this one's going in there. And then we have this as well. So we're going to start off with our green and this pretty pink. And we will go with our that one there. And then we'll put some pretty pink right down here. And then I'm gonna do some, let's see here. Okay, there we go. We've got our St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to put our St. Patrick's Day right in there so it looks exactly like it's supposed to be in there. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to find that Wear Green today, because I know there's one in here. Was there not one in here? Oh, here it is. We're going to do a Wear Green, and we will put that right there. And then what I like to do is I like to use these boxes first, and then I can go back and play around with everything else. All right, so I'm going to use this one. So I guess we're going to go with a pink theme here. I'm actually going to put this, you can't see it, there we go. I'm going to put this right here. Make this a little bit larger box. And then going with some more pink. I think I'll go right here. Yes, that is looking good. And then we've got this color here, and I'm going to put that right there. Just like that. Now, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to look through to my green boxes. I'm going to put this bright green. I love this bright green, and I'm going to put it right here because St. Patrick's Day is my kids' anniversary. So I want to make sure that I write that on there. and dedicate a spot for them. And then we'll put this one right here. I'm going to come over here and we're going to make a little checklist of things to do. And I'm going to look through here and see if I have any other green. Here we go. And maybe some pink as well. Ooh, that's some pretty green. We've got some different colors there. And then these are kind of clear. Okay, I think I like one of these, and then there was another one in here. This one. I like this big green one here. And I don't know if there's any room on this side. It doesn't look like there is. Ooh! Oh my gosh. This is funny. It's not coming off, you guys. This is how that's gonna land. That is too funny. But that's okay. I'm gonna just cut this piece off. Oh my goodness. So we've got that. That is happening right there. So now I've got to figure something else out, because I need another piece of green. Or something that's gonna go wonky, right? Because let's see. I think we could do it. I think we'll take this one and this one. And we need to make sure that this kind of goes a little wonky to make it look like that was all done on purpose. Oh my goodness. How cute is this going to be? All right, so I'm coming back to the pinks. Let's get some pinks in there. There's some purpley pinks. That's just purple. This is kind of a pink. So I'm going to have another list here. And I'm going to put it right here. A get it done list. Okay, you guys, you can always count on me, right? To make something goofy and slip up. But we've got our list there. I think I'm going to add another list here. That's a get it done list. And so now I'm going to put a to-do list here. And then right on here, I'm going to put priority. There we go. Okay, now I'm coming back over to this area, and we're going to look. Just to see what we might want to add in here. And I do have some cute little flowers. Oh no, this is not a flower. This is a little piece. That might be where this goes, actually. There we go. That turned wonky into something that looks like it's supposed to be there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn this one into a Friday. We've got piano that day. We've got some other flowers here. I'm gonna put that one right in there. And we've got spring cleaning. And we will put this one right here. Go ahead and use this church one. We'll put that right here. And then I got some little baby flowers here. We'll put one right here. Put one right there. I'm going to take this little one that says, "Today is the day." And we'll put it right up here. And I'm looking at all of these beautiful colors. And I believe, yes, we have some more flowers and we've got some little shamrocks on here. And we'll add some flowers here and there. And I've got one more spot for flowers, so I could either put it here There we go. And I'm going to take some of these little flowers. I'll put some different colors on here as well. And I'm going to take one more yellow. You can't see it there on camera, but all right, I think we're good to go on there. I am going to take some of my green. This is a granny apple green. And add just some color as well. So I'm just going to go down this side here. And then just across and down. I'm going to do the same. Let's do it right here. We're just adding some dimension. Ooh, just like that. And then for here, I'm just going to add just a few little dots there. And then I'm going to go here. And it just adds a little bit of artistic dimension to it, if you will. And then I'm going to go in with some pink, some bubble bath pink here. And I'm going to kind of do a little bit of the same thing, but in different areas. And it's just your hand, so it can be however you'd like it. And then I've got the 3 dots over here, so I'm going to pull in some little dots over here as well. But these I'm just going to put little dots, just like that. Maybe 5 dots. Okay, that is my spring spread. Let me know what you think. I think it is adorable, and I need to add some pink on this side. So sorry. I usually do this, and it's sometimes after you guys see it. So it could be like after I've already stopped the camera, and then I'm like, oh, wait, that needs a little something there. So sometimes you don't see it. But I think we've pulled in our colors. What do you think? Alrighty. Let me know what you think. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. I do a Plan With Me spread each week, and so I am so looking forward to getting into the summer and Easter and Mother's Day and all the fun little things that are coming up soon. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!